centralized repository or to a business process management application or to the core system. So these are some of the scenarios of capture scenario. This scenario is saying that centralized single mailroom capture. You have, for example, 1,000 locations and every location is couriering the documents to a centralized at one city. So perform large batch processing of standardized documents at a centralized mailroom. Elimination of paper from paper-intensive processes, highly standardized and controlled environment. So that the benefits are, this entire scanning is happening in a controlled environment. You can process more documents in a day, or you can scan more documents or capture more documents in a day because operational efficiency will come in centralization. But constraints are expensive infrastructure, highly skilled operators, shipping and mailing cost, very big cost. Again, if a branch is transferring those documents or couriering those documents to a centralized, they will definitely copy the documents or they will definitely photocopy the documents. Risk of lost or damaged document in transit, less security control, relatively high turnaround time, definitely, because the courier takes time, the segregation takes time, the consolidation takes time. Additional label for separating and sorting, which we just discussed. So these are some of the constraints of centralized capture. Now distributed, multiple mailroom capture. Capture extended to geographically distributed mailrooms at major locations, each processing high volume of documents. Reduced cost of international shipping of documents, standardized and controlled environment. That's also the same that you have prepared, you have actually developed the regional hubs of the multiple mailrooms. Again, expensive infrastructure at each mailroom, skilled operators are required, risk of lost or damaged documents because the small centers are sending documents to this regional center. Less security control, additional labor required to separate and resort documents. Now again the capture scenario, distributed, mailroom and branch capture. So branches are also capturing the documents in a big mailroom. Capture happens at the central mailroom as well as at the branches, comparatively low volume of documents. Benefits are short turnaround time because branches is scanning the document and uploading it. So immediately there is no couriering of documents. So processing will start as early as possible. Increased productivity, reduced operational expensive and staff requirement, reduced risk of lost or damaged documents. Now trained knowledge workers required at branches to capture documents through scanners, MFPs, etc. There is one more capture scenario which we are saying, completely distributed mailrooms are there, branch and field capture through mobile devices. Capture facilities extended to branches as well as mobile workforce, our field agents. Low volumes of documents captured at each location. Drastically reduced process turnaround time. Drastically reduced process turnaround time. So, for example, if you capture the document at the source itself, they will capture it, upload it, and the processing starts then and there itself. Increased productivity, reduced operational expenses in terms of printing, photocopying, couriering, optimal utilization of existing capture infrastructure, reduced risk of lost or damaged documents. Requirement for trained branch executives and field executives to capture documents through scanner, MFPs, smartphone and tablets. This is a one-time training need to be provided. So this is the capture scenario comparison. So mix and match of any type of scenario can be adopted as per the volumes, as per the industry, as per the exact business requirements. So distributed capture, capture from multiple sources. Distributed capture is a model that involves document capture at the place of origination, very important place of origination, across various offices and locations, whether throughout various floors of a building or across the world. So you can capture the document and then via secure mode, you can upload those documents wherever it is required. But the processing is very important. If you capture the document, then you can process the documents properly. So now what? How it will happen? So we have, or we can say that the technology is a document exchange server. So this is for bulk scanning, thick scanning, a desktop-based scanning can happen. So there is a tool which will able to help you in batch preparation of the documents, segregation of the documents, data extraction of the documents, automatic classification of the documents, and finally uploading those documents to wherever it is required. So it supports bulk scanning, web scanning, light browser-based scanning, fax capture, email capture, so directly from email the documents can be captured, portal capture, capture documents from web portal third-party application. Imagine a scenario, if a customer is sitting at home, he just log in to apply for a loan or for an insurance policy, and he can upload those documents onto a portal. Entering certain data, he can get a ticket number, and there is a branch near to his home. He can go at a specified time, and he can go to the branch, and the branch says, yes, Mr. X, your documents, we have got it. It is your time. Now you have to fill the application form, and we have already processed it. Mobile capture, capture right at the customer place, and content archive. So all those documents will be archived. So this is the story about distributed capture server. So you can capture the document from any source, process them, and finally archive them or wherever you want to put some data. So after processing of all these, you can have centralized document archival. You can give the documents to a business process management for processing of processes, to, let us say, in a BPO kind of scenario, to core applications, to portal, to other legacy applications. So once it is captured properly, you can provide the information or to the documents wherever it is required. So that's the architecture we are talking about. But to achieve this effectively, the capture part is very, very important. Just a few slides of, this is a web capture. You can capture the documents through web. So for example, you have a username and password. This is entirely a web-based system where there is a scanning button here, and you can, so automatically segregation of document will happen here. Segregation of documents, attaching certain data to the documents, and here the scanning. So this is highly secure mode where you can open the documents when you have a username and password. So you can put some annotations. This is the barcode sticker kind of thing. You can have annotations, you know, you can put some notes on the document as you do on a physical document. Now this is a desktop based scanning. Again, we are saying that indexing with business values, batch and bulk scanning, scanning template designing, image enhancing operations in terms of deskew, noise removal, removal of borders, auto separation on barcode, blank page, and export document to a document management system. So here you can segregate or you can classify the documents properly. Now revolutionizing data capture on the move, one more method of capturing the documents. So the technology is Zepin. So there's a solution on a mobile capture where you can enter certain data, you can capture the application form, it will reduce the size of the image, and you can give this data to BPM, ECM, or the core application. It is a secure data transfer. Once uploaded, the documents you will not able to view on the mobile device itself. You cannot not able to view the documents from the gallery itself. Fax server, you can capture the document from faxes, and then import utility will throw the documents to a centralized archival. So some of the features are, this entire document capture service is simple deployment and easy to use. Single interface to capture paper or electronic documents from multiple sources. No device dependency. Deliver documents to appropriate business application. Compression of documents. Very important. This is an important parameter in terms of the storage of documents and also retrieval. But if the documents are compressed properly, the retrieval will become very, very fast. 65 to 70% we have achieved. bandwidth optimization by scheduling uploads. For example, if you have a remote locations and the bandwidth is a constraint, just scan those documents or capture those documents and upload document when bandwidth utilization is low. Centralized administration and control of the entire exchange which we are talking about, or the Omni capture exchange server. So you have a centralized administration and control. No need, if you have a distribution, 2000 distribution channels or 5000 distribution channels, then you can administer all the channels centrally. There is no need to deploy or no need to manage those distributed environment at the source itself. Advanced imaging capabilities on the documents. You can crop certain portion of the documents. You can crop the photographs. You can crop the signatures. LDAP integration, that's single sign-on. This application can work with any BPM, ECM, or core applications technology, whether it is ERP, SAP, BAN, Microsoft, etc., anything, or a core banking solution, Finacle, FlexCube, or Misys, Temenos, or any insurance package. Real-time dashboards regarding the capture and deployed on cloud or in-premise. So that's about the capture part of this, of the documents. Now you can ask questions regarding that.